All right, we're going to do a Frost demo here. First step, we're going to create our Frost UA. So here we go. Generate Frost UA. Generates 3 shares with threshold of 2. This is the default. It creates a public key package and then 3 participant packages. And here is our viewing key. So go ahead and copy that. In your Ywallet, you're going to paste that into a new account, put Zcash, paste, give it a name, Frost Demo Zcub 2025. Okay. And now we'll send some funds real quick. I'll just send that. Okay. I'll be right back when that's arrived. All right, we're back and we got our transaction. 3 comps in, we're ready to roll. So now I'm going to send myself a transaction. And we'll do this. Zcub. Frost 2025 demo. Send. And remember, because this is a view key, it will not let you broadcast it right away. So we're going to hit the snowflake to save, and we're going to hit the save button, and I'm going to go into my folder here, save it under raw transactions. And I'm going to just call it my TX. You can call it whatever you want. Okay, so now we can go back. And now we're going to the next step. And we're going to start the Frost signing procedure. We'll go ahead and do that here. Whoops. So sign Frost, and then you're going to input the location of your transaction that you just created, the raw transaction, and then you're going to input where you want the signed transaction to go and the name of the file. I'm going to call it my signed T. Okay, and what this will do is it'll generate a Zcash and a randomizer. Next step, we need to run the coordinator. We'll do that here. Run coordinator. And it's going to ask you for the message that you want to sign with Frost. And in this case, we're going to use the SIG hash, indicating we want that transaction to be signed. It also wants the randomizer. And now it's going to wait for the participants. Remember, we want 2 out of the 3 to sign. So we're going to do that. Go to the next step. And we will run participant sign. And I'm going to input the key package 1 first, and then I'll do the key package 2 second. Okay. Let me just get to the place I need to go. Desktop, Frost new, test, Frost, bins, clear, Okay, and then we'll do second JSON. And notice what happened. On both of these, the second round ended and the coordinator picked this up and generated a group signature. So go ahead and copy that, paste it back into your signing terminal, and the signing process has been finalized. It created a signed transaction, which is what you're going to broadcast using Ywallet. So you hit more, broadcast. We're going to go into bins, signed transactions, my sign T, open, and now we have our signed transaction. Congratulations.